legal breweries. We've closed down a number without licenses, and also we have also closed down a number of premises that were selling alcoholic drinks with licenses but operating within the prohibited proximity to learning institutions and other guidelines under national law. So that campaign is going on, and we've discussed how to upscale that war in the coming weeks. We'll be coming to check on it again in a very short period of time. Nationally, I think the program has done well, the enforcement program nationally. As at this morning, we have been able to shut down 6,500 premises which were operating with licenses, but contrary to the Alcoholic Drinks Control Act, which is national law and which is superior than the county laws by virtue of our constitution. And therefore, those licenses have been revoked for violating national law, and 6,500 premises closed. We have also shut down 12,150 country which were operating without licenses from any authority. So in total, we have 18,650 which were operating illegally in various parts of the country. And we have also destroyed the production capability of manufacturing poisonous substances to the people. We have also closed quite a number of agrovets and chemists, some of which were operating outside the law, and we are working very Pharmacy and Poisons Board, which is the regulator of that industry. We are also working with the veterinary department because we have had to close which were operating without licenses, and some of them were being used for veterinary drugs, which some of them are being used to concoct hard drugs, mix them with other substances to generate some of the drugs that our children and so that war is on course. So this morning I'm happy to come to this facility. As I have said, we are relocating it. There is a bit of progress in terms of that work, and we will see then what governments and the national government to put up infrastructure which is more appropriate in the middle of town where this facility is now. We even have a project which had been started here under the affordable housing program, which is 70% complete, right, I think behind this block. We are also we'll complete it because it will be used one way or the other by either the county government or the national government to accommodate public officials and other members of the Kenyan society who require accommodation under the affordable housing project. Nawashukuru sana, nawatakia kila laheri, muwe na siku njema. Tuko safarini kama kawaida, na mimi nimeshukuru sana kuwaona, na najua mko na maswali mengi, lakini leo sio siku ya maswali, niko na siku mrefu. Hii ni mahali ya tatu sasa. Nilianza Migori saa 11, saa 12:30 nilikuwa Homa Bay, nimemaliza hii Kisii, tunaenda Nyamira and other counties. I think by evening tutakuwa tumehesabu county kama 10. So mimi nawatakia kila laheri. I just want to call upon members of the press to support national security programs. Those national security programs are not controversial. They are not political. They are not sectarian. They are not divisive. They are for our nation. They are for securing our homeland so that we can have a safe homeland which we can hand over to our children when the adults expire from this world. So please support our national security program. Sisi hatuna ubaguzi, hatujihusishi na mambo ya siasa, hatujihusishi na mambo ya kugawa watu kikabila ama kidini. Kazi yetu ni kuhakikisha nchi yetu iko salama na tunaachia nchi hii vizazi vijavyo, nchi ambayo itakuwa dhabiti na ambayo tutajivunia. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki. I'll see you again in some other time. Asante sana. Thank you.